If you're looking for the ultimate party game for your Nintendo Switch, Super Mario Party Jamboree takes everything fans love about the series and cranks it up to the next level. Today, we're taking a look at what makes this installment a must have for game nights. Right out of the box, this is officially the biggest Mario Party game to date. You get a massive roster of iconic playable characters, including fan favorites like Wario, Waluigi, and Bowser, along with 7 unique game boards, ranging from brand new dynamic courses to reimagined classic boards from past games. With over 110 minigames included, the variety here is incredible. Whether you prefer fast paced button mashers, motion control challenges, or strategic puzzle battles, there's something for everyone. The controls are responsive and accessible, making it easy for both casual players and competitive gamers to jump right in. Beyond the classic board game mode, Jamboree introduces new gameplay options like Jamboree Buddies for extra perks, as well as dedicated online and motion control party modes. Whether you're playing local couch co op with family or jumping into online multiplayer with friends, the replay value is pretty big. All in all, I would say that Super Mario Party Jamboree is packed with chaotic fun, endless replayability, and polished gameplay. So if you enjoy co op party games, this is easily one of the best titles on the Switch. The list of minigames is incredible. Thank you for watching.